Hello guys, today we will discuss the CSIR NET June Chemistry 2017 question booklet A, question number 77. This is a 4 marks question. The question is on your screen. So sodium borohydride is given. Sodium borohydride is a hydride donor and it will react with this complex and it will form a product. So which product will form among these four? So we will come for the mechanism. So this is the complex given. So you can see in this complex the CP ring is means the cyclopentadienyl anion, and it will have a negative charge, and this negative charge can be delocalized through this ring, and this can be represented like this. That means the 5 carbon of this CP ring can be share the 6 electron cloud. Okay, so this is 6 pi electron system and aromatic system. Okay, and neta 5 means the 5 electron of this CP ring is equidistant from the iron, and neta 6 means the 6 carbons of this benzene ring is equidistant from the iron. So here the 5 carbon is equidistant, here the 6 carbon is equidistant from the iron, and that's why it is a neta 5, it is a neta 6. Now it has a negative charge. Now this complex already have a positive charge on it, and therefore the positive charge we can write on the iron, and this positive charge and one more positive charge will come to neutralize this CP negative charge. So therefore iron is +2 oxidation state. So here iron is +2 oxidation state. So now guys, we will calculate that what is the electron count of this. So electron count there is 2 way. Okay, one is neutral way and another one is ionic way. Okay, so neutral way is, what is the neutral way? So we know iron is 26 means this is 3d6 4s 2. So what is the valence electron? 6 plus 2 equal to 8. So this 8 electron will come from the iron, and this neta 6 will give 6 electron. This neta 5 will give the 5 electron, and after that one positive charge is there on the complex, and therefore it means the 1 electron less. So this is the number of electron is there. So this is the 18 electron. Okay, and in the ionic method we have to consider the charge on the iron. So iron has +2 charge. So therefore the 2 electron from the 4s will goes out. So 6 electron remains. So therefore iron will be 6 electron contributor, and after that this neta 6, this benzene ring will give the 6 electron, and this CP rings actually it has a 6 pi electrons. So in this case this we have to consider as a 6 electron donor. So therefore it is a 18 electron. So both are same. Okay, so why I showed this? Because so many people has the confusion that why we take the neta 5 CP ring as a 5 electron donor, though it has a 6 pi electrons. So guys, you have to remember that for the neutral method we used to consider the 5 electron, but for the ionic method we have to consider the 6 electron only. Actually it is a 6 electron donor. Okay, so sodium borohydride is given. Sodium borohydride will give the H minus. This H minus will react with this iron. So what will form? It will form this one. So H, and here this CP ring is there, and here this benzene ring is there. Okay, so here it has a negative charge and this H minus a negative charge. So iron is +2 in oxidation state. So what is the electron count of this? So the iron will give 8 electrons. So here I am doing the neutral method. Okay, so I will prefer in the neutral method. So iron will give the 8 electron, CP will give the 5 electron, this will give the 6 electron, and this hydride will give the 1 electron. So it will be 20 electron system. Okay, so this 20 electron system is not stable because it is always preferred to be a 18 electron system. Then what will happen? This H minus will come to either in CP ring or in the benzene ring. So which ring it will prefer? See, the CP ring already has a negative charge on it, and the negative electron cloud is delocalized through the 5 electrons. So therefore this H minus cannot attack to the CP because of the electron repulsion, and electron density is more in the CP ring because of the 5 carbon is sharing 6 pi electrons, and here the 6 carbon is sharing 6 pi electrons. So therefore the electron density is less in the benzene ring. So therefore for the reduce of the electron repulsion, the hydride ion will react with this benzene ring. Then what will happen? So you can see this is a benzene ring, and H minus ion will react, and this will come like this. So it will form. So this will form this one. So negative charge will be there. So this negative charge can be delocalized through this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon because it has a conjugation. So therefore it will form this one. So hydride, and we can write like this, that this 5 carbon has a negative charge. So now it has a 5 conjugated carbon, so therefore it has a power to form a nita 5 complex. So it cannot form a nita 6 complex because this is a saturated carbon, okay? So therefore it will form the nita 5 complex. So then what will form? So it will form Fe, then here it will be Cp, and here it will be like this. So hydrogen, and this 5 carbon, so this is a 1 carbon, another carbon, this is another carbon, so this 5 carbon has a negative charge on it. So it is a nita 5 type of complex. So this is also nita 5 type of complex, this is also nita 5 type of complex. And here this has a negative charge and this has a negative charge. So hence iron has a +2 oxidation state. So what is the electron count of this? So nita 5 of Cp will give 5 electron, iron will give 8 electron, and this again will give the 5 because it is nita 5 complex. So 5 electron. So it is a 18 electron species. So this is a neutral method. So if you go for the ionic method, then this will be a 6 electron donor. Iron is a +2 oxidation state, therefore 3d6. So 6 electron donor, and it will contribute how much? It will contribute actually here the 6 electron on the 5 carbon. So therefore it also a 6 electron donor. So it is a 18 electron. So guys, if you can follow any of the pathway, so both will give the 18 electron count. So it is a 18 electron system. So therefore it is a stable system, and this is the final product. So we can write it like this: nita 5 Cp Fe nita 5. This is a C6H7. Okay. So this is the final answer. So now guys, if you see the options, the option number 4. So this is the final answer. So now you can see guys, this we can calculate the 18 electron count, and we can determine the answer as well. So for this case, it has a 5 electron for the Cp, 8 electron for the iron, and 2 H minus is there, so 2 electron will be contribute, and 1 negative charge is +1. So it is a 16 electron system, and so therefore it is not so stable. 16, because we know the transition metal ion always prefer to form a 18 electron system after the reaction. So therefore 16 electron system is not the correct answer. So here it is a Cp ring will give the 5 electron, iron will give the 8 electron, and this hydride will give the 1 electron, and this will donate a 6 electron. So therefore it will be a 20 electron system. So this also not the correct answer. So in this case, what will happen? The 5 electron will come from the Cp ring, iron will give the 8 electron, this will give the 6 electrons. So it is the 19 electron system. So therefore this also not the correct answer. And in this case, the 5 electron will contribute from the Cp ring, and iron will give the 8 electron, and here also 5 electron will come from the C6H7 ring. So therefore it will be a 18 electron system. So guys, in this way also we can understand that this is only the 18 electron complex, and hence this is the correct answer. But this way is the shortcut method, but not always be correct. So always we have to go for a details mechanism of the reaction. So guys, hope you understand this mechanism, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. I will come for the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much.